a step-by-step guide on how to replace the coil net set for the ARBUDA Torpedo mini gas fogger. First, disconnect the ignition wire carefully. Now, remove the screws from both sides of the coil net set, one on the left and one on the right. Nozzle present at the edge of coil. Gently remove it. Please handle it with care, as it's a delicate part. Refer to the video for the correct technique. Slide the old coil net set out from the machine towards the right side. Take the new coil net set and install it properly, as shown in the video. Tighten the screws on both sides securely. Reattach the nozzle and ensure it's clean and not blocked. Finally, reconnect the ignition wire. That's it. You've successfully replaced the coil net set on your ARBUDA Torpedo mini fogger.